swim? You happy? You happy? Happy dog. Find you a stick. Bubbles, you having fun? You having fun? Boop. Boop.
Oh, Rocky, stop.
Getting all dirty. Where's your stick at?
Get your stick.
Rocky. Come here, bud. Hey. Rocky, get over here. Come on.
Oh boy! Oh
Oh, there you go.
boy! Good job!
Good boy.
Bring it up this far. Oh, good boy!
You did it. Kinda.
That's the stupid part of it. Oh. No. Oh my. Oh my.
All clean now.
Yeah.
Good work.
I think you got all that water off.
Krista's a monkey.
Oh shoot. My shoes are so slippery from all the sand. Be safe. I want to sit right there.
We're almost there.
But look how slippery my shoes are.
I mean, it's a long way down if you fall.
It's about kid height.
Ah! Ah! Hey, bud. Hey! What are you doing? That was a real nice walking trail here. Are you stuck?
Maybe.
Need help?
Maybe.
Hey, bud. It's like, no camera. Bobo.
You did it!
He's like so scared. He's like, oh shit.
Archer! He's gone again.
Oh, freaking Archer. There he is. Hey, Archer. Come on up. Hey, bud.
You're so tall. You're so tall.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Freaking Bobo. He did it the whole way. Bobo. Bobo cheated. Don't believe Bobo.
Cheater. He's like, look at this big stick. I'll look at it.
Archer's king of the world.
You king of the world when you'll follow me.
Oh, good jump, Bobo.
Even the breeze is like nice. Without the breeze, it'd be like really hot.
Only do it for the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, either did I.
Finding things to punch.
Narrow trail. Watch your footing. Oh yeah, most narrow trail.
I could lay across this.
Twice.
No, maybe 1.5.
Okay.
I don't think it was filming.
Oh, it's got a really wide angle. You'll see us.
Pretty.
So pretty.
Here, or do you think I like it.
I like it.
It has the cool little bumps. It's round.
Reminds me of like a lava cake. That's why Cade likes it.
Fat ass.
It's big. Yeah. I read this. Hi, Bob. It's a boy squirrel. Krista saw its nuts.
His tail looks like bubbles.
We got a friend. Found snow. Ooh, that breeze is chilly. Bobo. Crazy. Pretty.
Just kidding.
It's pretty nice.
Like, I don't mind walking in the snow and stuff. Hey.
Did I hit you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Snowy balls.
Krista finding cool rocks. See, look, it is crag.
Oh, Eagle Crag.
What is a crag? I don't even know. Jeez, dog makes me a nervous wreck. Oh yeah, that's so much more enjoyable. Hiking, take 2. Stay on the trail, bud. Oh, look.
Ooh, a walking stick.
There you go, honey.
Thanks, man.
It's Krista height.
Are you so obsessive?
Good boys. Yeah, I'm sure. It'd be cool. I've never really seen tarantulas in the wild.
Really?
Yeah.
My dog did. He found one up in the waterfall.
Oh, really? That's cool. So they're a very useful plant. Zoom, zoom. Going. Yeah, Archer's a lot happier with this hike. Lights on and on. Bobo still coming. Oh, yep. Krista doing weird things for the camera. There's another big yucca plant. That one's huge.
Yeah.
Watch out for the cactus, babe. Those are the pipers.
Yeah,
They're pretty strong.
You can't break it.
It's just like fishing line.
Mm-hmm.
You can go fishing.
There you go. It's cheaper. Make your own. Yeah, it's really bouncy and smooth. You just finally braid them and leave them.
Hi, Bobo. Are you tired? You got a big hill? Got a big hill. It's the puppies. Okay. Let me go first. That's a big rock.
Sorry, Rocky.
was nice having it to ourselves too.
It wasn't even cold walking back. But now we'll know to bring on water.
Yes. Oh,
Is that off?
nope. Okay. Got a nice shady spot. Maybe we take a break real quick. We gotta carry him. Oh, spoiled little shit.
Archer? Archer? What are you doing? Oh. There's a bird in that tree. Can't you hear it?
Did hear a bird. Oh yeah. There he goes.
Oh. Here go my sunglasses.
Oh, there's a big jump bubble. Good boy, no problems. Archer had to do that one twice. There's a tree growing out of the rock.
I like the rock.
Just cleaning up the crumbs. What you helping Mama eat lunch? Oh, falling over. There's the Eagle Crags. Don't really look like eagles from over here. Reservoir. They're down there. It's a lot easier walking this way. Making good time. Freaking Bobo makes me carry him. Look at this bullshit. Well, hey, he hasn't got a stick from this trip yet.
Yeah, you grab it.
Okay. Rocky stick for the trip.
It's always fast.
Yeah. Hike dinosaur. Okay, this looks like a good rest spot. Yep. It's a secret. What you finding, bud? You finding snacks? These small.
Bubble beans. Okay. Oh. He's so cute.
Whoa. Cute little hop. Good boy.
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go!
Come on, let's go. Beep, beep. Might be. Good. Break time.
Fast pace.
Look at my sexy wife. Bobo,
Hey, Bobo.
finding a nice spot to lay down. Hi. Oh, yeah, that's a spot. Archer. I know. So comfy. Rocky's still going.
He's gonna crash though.
Oh gosh.
That's how Archer is. He'll go.
We made it.
Crab goes wild. Is it sitting in cactus?
All right.
Good boy! Don't get it!
Eagle Crags Trail.
Like we did 7.5 uphill both ways in sand. Our 6 miles away.
Your boy's happy to be back. Bobo's happy. That's a long way down. Tired boys.
I don't even know where Archer is. Oh, he's over there.